Welcome to the Verasys video series. My name is Rob Snowart. Today we're going to talk about how to factory reset a smart building hub. So first thing I usually do is I pull out the literature so that way I can reference the steps in which how to do the factory reset. There's two means that you can, or two different resets that you can do. One is to reset the Wi-Fi and the Ethernet settings. The other is to do just a full factory reset that would reset everything. So the reason why you may want to do a Wi-Fi or an Ethernet setting is if you forgot your password on how to get in or how to connect up. And so you can do your reset of those passwords. But today I'm going to show you how to do a full factory reset. So referring to the documentation, the first thing the reset is done by resetting the button on the back of the back of the Smart Building Hub. So there's a little hole in the back, and beyond that hole is a button. So I use a thermostat tool or a little Allen wrench. You could also use a paper clip to poke through there to press that button. So the procedure tells you to press the button and hold it for 6 seconds, and that there'll be a series of blinks. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start that, and we'll start showing you the blinking lights. So I press and hold, and the first 2 seconds there'll be a slow blink. Then after 6 seconds it'll turn to a fast blink. Then you lift off the button and then you press it again, and the reset will take place. So I'll sit and hold, but you'll notice that here in a minute that the fault light will come on and that the device will start to reset. Okay, so now it's starting to do its reset. Now it's going to reset everything back to factory defaults. And factory defaults means the factory passwords and the SSID will go back to what they originally were. So if you have your quick start guide that comes in the box with the Smart Building Hub, it will go back to these passwords. Okay, if you by chance do not have this quick start guide anymore, the passwords for the SSID and the password for the admin will be the last 6 characters in the MAC address of the Ethernet SKU or Ethernet MAC address. There's a Wi-Fi MAC address and there's an Ethernet MAC address. The Ethernet's on the bottom. So it's going to be the last 6 digits plus SBH. So it would be SBH hyphen, a capital S, capital B, capital H, hyphen, and then the last 6 without those hyphens. And that would be the default password on the back of this box, or how to figure out the default password. So as you can see, it's still going through its procedure. Some of the things that it does, it'll start to show the Wi-Fi signal strength again, and then here shortly it will go out and your SBH will be back to factory defaults.